Hi everyone, it's Miss Nicky here, and I'm not feeling so good today, and that's because I've made a mistake and I've hurt someone I care about, and I don't want to hurt anybody. Have you ever made a mistake? Yes, we all do, but can you think of a word that we can say to help make things better when we've hurt people we care about? That's right, we can say sorry. Now when we say sorry, it shows people that we care enough to change so that we don't hurt them again. Now it takes a lot of courage to say sorry. It's not an easy word, but it's worth it because it helps us to be closer to those people we care most about. I know we can do this, everyone, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, friends.